Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Cyber Threat segment. I'm Shantae, and I'm here to make sure that you're equipped with the knowledge you need to stay safe and secure in the digital age. Now, if you've ever used the internet, shopped online, or checked your email, then the Cyber News with Shantae is for you. I'm here to keep you in the loop on what's happening in the digital world, from things like online scams to tips for helping to keep your personal information safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below to stay in the know. Now let's jump in. So I came across this yesterday regarding WordPress, and it looks like over 25,000 sites have been exposed. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with WordPress. It's a user-friendly tool for creating websites. It's great for blogs, business sites, online stores, portfolios, news sites, and community forums. You can easily customize your sites using pre-made designs and add features like e-commerce and social networking without needing any technical skills. So it is very appealing to people who are not that technical. So in this article, it talks about the bricks theme for WordPress, which is a popular tool for designing websites. It currently has a serious problem. So, with this issue, it can allow a hacker to take control of a website that uses the bricks theme. So, this issue actually affects all versions of Bricks up to 1.9.6, but the developers have released a fix in version 1.9.6.1, which you should update right away if you're using WordPress for your site. Now, according to WordFence, over 3 dozen attack attempts exploiting this flaw have been detected as of February 19th of this year, with the exploitation efforts starting actually on February 14th. This is affecting approximately 25,000 active installations of WordPress with the Bricks theme. If you don't know, WordFence is the cybersecurity company that's focused on protecting WordPress websites from hacking and malware. They offer some security tools and research to help the website owners defend against online threats. So even though that there's no step-by-step guide right now for hackers to actually exploit this issue, they can use certain techniques to take control of a website. So this can lead to serious problems like stealing information or damaging your site if you're using WordPress. So in order to stay safe, if you're using the Bricks theme on your website, make sure you update it to the latest version as soon as possible. This will help protect your site from potential attacks. It's also a good idea to keep an eye out for any updates or security alerts for your website's themes and plugins in the future, to keep everything secure. This is not the first time that something like this has happened with WordPress. Um, I know back in 2022, according to the same site, PatchStack, 26% of the plugins with critical security bugs never received a patch. 328% more security bugs were reported in 2022. There were more vulnerabilities and things like that that happened last year. And as we see already in 2024, we're still having the same issue. So I just want to caution everyone, if you are using WordPress for your site, please stay up to date. Make sure that you are applying the security features as they're being rolled out. Make sure you're keeping an eye on your site. I have seen WordPress for myself compromised within a company that I was consulting for, enterprise-wide level. They actually thought that they were going to a website to order a menu, and they were actually redirected to a malicious website. So when they placed their order, their banking details were compromised, and that restaurant was actually using WordPress for their site menu. So just something to keep in mind there. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Until the next time. Oh no. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you want to see any more videos, if you want me to expand on anything. If there's anything else that you want me to look into, let me know. Until next time, bye everyone.